Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, December 14th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please post your attendance. Freeze Pop Friday will be happening this Friday during their PE times. Party Day will be Friday, December 17th. That will be this Friday. Will also be a school-wide pajama day. Class parties will be after 1 o'clock except for pre-K. Grades. Make sure that you are syncing your grades regularly. Gradebooks should also be printed regularly. Late duty today is Miss Peralta. Tomorrow, I'm not sure. 16th is Miss Moore, and 17th is Miss Heichman. Word of the day, thirds. Thirds are the parts you get when you divide something into 3 equal parts. So if you have a whole and you divide it into 3 equal sections, you get thirds. Important dates, December 15th, which is Wednesday, is PST for grades 3 through 5. It may also be expanded farther than that. Ms. Horton sent out an email about that yesterday, so be sure to check that email. December 17th is deadline for partnership conferences, holiday parties, and pajama day. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.